Good morning, class 8. Welcome all of you in this math period. I am going to start a new chapter, linear equations. So first you should understand what are the equations and what are linear equations. Linear is the degree of the variable of any algebraic expression is 1. That is called linear. The power or degree of the maximum power of the variable is 2, that is positive. So you will learn in next class, but now you concentrate on linear equation. Suppose this is an algebraic expression. This is another algebraic expression. Now any algebraic expression is equal to something if we can give the condition. So that becomes the equation. So these are now algebraic expressions. If I say this is equal to 7, this means this condition 3x minus 5 is equal to 7. That becomes equation. Here, if we say this is equal to 5, that becomes the equation. तो इक्वेशन का मतलब हुआ कि any algebraic expression which equals to something you can understand. Sorry. This is a condition. तो इक्वेशन का मतलब समझ गए. और solving the equation. Solve the equation means whatever the variable is given, you have to find the value of that variable. That is the meaning of solving the equation. समझ में आ रहा है? Solve the equation का मतलब हुआ कि whatever the variable, maybe x, y or z or a, b, c. So you have to find the value of, suppose इसी में हम बोले कि 3x minus 5 is equal to 7. Now if I ask you, solve the equation, means find the value of x. So I am going to explain you what is the methods. Two methods. Now you see, we transfer minus 5 this side, so 3x is equal to 7 plus 5. And 3x is equal to 12. Now we transfer 3 from left to right, x is equal to 12 upon 3 is equal to 4. This is the value of x. This value if you put here, then you will satisfy the equation. Both sides will be equal. So ये आपका एक सॉल्यूशन इसी तरह से इसको भी बना सकते हैं. देखें 4 steps. पहला कि in any equation if we add same number both sides, the equation remains same. If we subtract same number from both sides, left hand side and right hand side, there is no change in the equation. Equation remains unchanged. If we multiply both sides of given equation by same number, the result does not change. And if we divide both sides by same number, the result remains unchanged. तो ये पहला रूल है. यानी दो इक्वेशन को यदि हम सेम नंबर से डिवाइड करें, सेम नंबर से इनटू करें, दोनों तरफ करना है. LHS and RHS. LHS समझ में, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, RHS राइट हैंड साइड. And if we add the same number to both sides, if we subtract the same number from both sides, the value remains unchanged. बड़े सर इसका क्या काम है? इसका काम है to solve the equation, to find the value of variable. और दूसरा रूल है कि रूल ऑफ ट्रांसपोजिशन. हम सम टर्म्स को लेफ्ट साइड से राइट साइड और राइट साइड से लेफ्ट साइड लाते हैं, तो उसका जो रूल है, प्लस इज चेंज इनटू माइनस, माइनस इज चेंज इनटू प्लस, डिवाइड इनटू एंड इनटू डिवाइड. कुछ समझ में आ रहा? प्लस इज चेंज इनटू माइनस, पॉजिटिव बिकम्स नेगेटिव. Minus is changed into plus. You will see with the example. But now this is in theory. Now you see the practical. How will we use these two rules to solve a equation? यानी solve करने का दो मेथड्स हो गया. मैंने पहले कहा था कि सेम नंबर से ऐड करें या सब्ट्रैक्ट करें या डिवाइड करें या इंटू करें. अब ये क्वेश्चन पर डिपेंड करता है कि what number we should divide, by what number we should multiply. It depends upon the question. Question कैसा है उसके ऊपर में ये काम है. देखिए, I try to make you very easy giving or rather solving one question. So come to question number 7A, exercise 7A, and you see carefully, you listen to me carefully, solve the equation and check up your answer. Check भी करना है. देखिए, इस क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से देख लेंगे तो I suppose you will be in position to solve all the questions given in your book. No problem. But you should learn whatever the rules I have explained. This is question number 1. What is the question is to solve the equation. To solve the equation, you have to find the value of p. P is the variable here. And other numbers you know very well. They are constant. Constant, I have made it very clear. Now you see, this is the implied. हर स्टेप में ये सिंबल देना है. देखिए, first you remove the bracket. इसका रूल है कि if there is minus, so that will be changed into plus. Minus 3p plus 4. And this will be into her 4 into p, 4p, 4 into 1, 4 plus 9. So first we have simplified. Now you transfer all the terms having p on the left side, variable, also all the constant on the right side. This will be easy to solve. So 10p minus 3p and 4p on the right side. देखिए एक रूल यहाँ फॉलो हो रहा है. ये प्लस को इधर ला रहे हैं. क्यों ला रहे हैं? मैंने कहा था it is easier to solve the equation. You write all the terms of variable left side, all the constant on the right side. Right side this will be 4, no change. And now plus 4, this will be here minus 4. So one rule we are using. Now you simplify. Algebra 10p minus 3p, 7p. 7p minus 4p, 3p. And now you see 9 plus 4, 13, 13 minus 4, 9. और ऐसे भी समझ सकते हैं -4 + 4 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, वैसे भी बना सकते हैं. Now you transfer 3p from left to right. 3 into p, यहाँ मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, यहाँ डिवाइड हो जाएगा. b is equal to 9/3 is equal to 3. This is the answer to question number 1. Now question is check, verify whether you are right or wrong. तो इसको चेकअप करते हैं, वेरिफिकेशन. तो वेरिफिकेशन में क्या करेंगे? We will put the values we will put the value of the variable p both sides. So LHS left hand side देखें 10 p का वैल्यू कितना 3 10 into 3 minus 3 into 3 minus 4 इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं तो 30 and this will be 9 minus 4 5. This is 25. Left side, what is 25? Now you see the RHS. You put the values of variable p 4 and 3 into 1. Yes, sorry, 3 plus 1 plus 9. 4 this is into 4 into 4 plus 9. 4 plus 16, 25, 9, 25. What do you see? We see left side and RHS both becomes equal. यहाँ पर लिख देंगे LHS equal to RHS. You will get checked, verified. So सारे क्वेश्चन में ऐसा करना है. समझ में आ गया? तो इस तरह से आप सिंप्लीफाई या सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. और if you don't get two sides equal, LHS and RHS, this means your solution is wrong. You can go through the solution. You can find your mistakes. So question number 1, and then you will try to solve. मैंने कहा दो मेथड. I want to close the chapter by telling you that in equation, to solve the equation, there are tools on transposition of terms. For convenience point of view, सुविधा के लिए हम all the variable को लेफ्ट साइड में रखते हैं, constant को राइट साइड में सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं, और इस वैल्यू को हम पुट करते हैं दोनों साइड में, लेफ्ट साइड RHS और LHS में, और दोनों साइड इक्वल, तो वो हो जाता है checked, verified that your solution is absolutely correct. So this is a linear equation. Linear equation समझ गए आप? Linear means variable उसका power जो है degree of the you can say power of the variable is 1. That is called linear. And so we are talking about linear equation. Quadratic equation, cubic equation you will learn in higher class. But in class 8 standard you will concentrate on linear equation. So this is question number 1. What did you see here in this solution? आप देख रहे हैं कि इसको जो भी है पहले you have to remove the bracket. We have multiplied. अब ये डिपेंड अपॉन द क्वेश्चन कैसा है उसके ऊपर में डिपेंड करता है कि प्लस करना है, माइनस करना है, इंटू करना है, डिवाइड करना है. और मैंने रूल बोला कि if we transpose any term from left to right, sign will be changed. Plus into minus, minus into plus, divide into division. Now दूसरा चीज है if same number is added to both sides and same number is subtracted from both sides, and if both sides are divided by same number and if both sides are multiplied by same number, the results remain unchanged. That's all for today, and you will try to solve 7a. This is the linear equation, and we will meet you later on. Thank you and have a nice day.